I know I said in my last Halloween haul that was it, but I hit the jackpot at another Dollar Tree. They brought out more stuff. Here we go. I picked up 3 of these mini drawers. These are great for storing little things. This is what I'm going to be storing all my Halloween stuff in. I put my Dollar Tree apothecary bottles that I got this year. These are the new mini ones that they have. I also will be storing some other Dollar Tree mini Halloween things in here as well, like the mini village I got in the $5 section. Then I also picked up 2 of these holographic coffin cases. These are perfect for storing things in. They're just plastic and they open up really simple. I have these Halloween palm bones that I got from the Dollar Tree, and this is one product that I'm going to be storing in there just so you guys can get an idea of what the different things that you can put in here that are Halloween based. Then I got this very glittery Blanche. I got this very glittery Blanche. I said it again. Child, please, you guys know what I'm talking about. Moving on. We got this 8-piece set of skulls. So they are plastic, but always remember that you can paint over them to make them look however you want them to look. Then we got this 36-piece set of skeleton bones. Now these are foam bones and they're also very glittery. You can see that glitter all the way in the corner. You can paint these as well if you want them, and they're easy to bend because they are foam. Then I got this ring set. These are 50, I think it's a 50-piece set, of rings, which you can always cut off the end piece and do whatever you want with these if you want to use them as decor. There is a cute little bat in here. Look at that detail. You have a skeleton and you also have spiders, so that's what it's included. They brought out new books this year where they are not real books. They're just like books style that you could just put things in, but the design on them are so cute. Last year they brought them out. I think this year I told you guys that they did not bring new ones out, but yeah, I found some new ones at the Dollar Tree that I went back to, and this is just the different designs they have on them. They come in about 3 to 4 different sizes, and they're really cool because if you get the right sizes, which I got the wrong sizes this time, you can stack them inside each other. I'm just showing right here that the top row is the new ones and the bottom row is the ones from last year, and I got the right sizes in the ones last year because as you guys can see right now, I can stack them and put them inside each other, but I did the wrong thing this year because I got too excited and I just grabbed up the 4 that they had. They had a spider one last year that I did not like, but I decided to get the spider one this year. So yeah, you could just see, just make sure you get the right sizes, okay? And then moving on to these bottles that they are selling at the Dollar Tree as well. I was so excited. You know, like I need another bottle. I think between last year and this year, I bought more than enough of these types of potion bottles. But I thought they were really cool. And you can see that if you open it up, which you can't really open it up because they glued the top on. You can see that I tried to open it up and I broke it, but you can always glue it back on. I'm going to show you guys a good way to do it. So take your cork, fit it to it, and then glue your cork to the actual top that they have, and then you'll be able to open it the regular way instead of how they thought it was cool to just glue it to there knowing that people would want it open. And again, these were the bottles that they were selling last year, but they brought them back out this year as well. I just wanted to mention that, so if you were interested in getting them. So I also bought some chalkboard tags, 4 in a pack. This is just something I'm going to DIY. Also some floral wire, which is great for holding things together, and you can always paint it as well if you need a certain color. I also bought 8-piece set of mini hay bales. I don't know how to pronounce it. Bales. In my last Halloween haul, I showed that I found the viral dollhouse that you can paint for Halloween. I bought another one because I like this style as well. And then I found this candy holding, not machine, but it's just like a, just one of these things that you turn. I do like using these, especially when you put candy in there, it just dispenses it. So I'm definitely going to be putting candy corn in here. I do like candy corn. I know that that's a very controversial Halloween candy and everybody don't like it, but I love it. I also got a pack of these brushes from their Crafter Square set because these are pretty good quality. For my last few things, I went to Walmart and got some paint. So this is by Apple Barrel. This is the big black matte paint, and this one was $2.50. The rest of these little small paints, these are 50 cents for the 2 fluid ounces, but these are really, really excellent quality. I already have a couple that I own, but I just needed a few more colors for the Halloween DIY projects that I'm going to be doing. The last thing I bought was the 6-pack of sandpaper, and this is 60 medium, and with this 60 medium you can see that the grit is a lot more textured.